graders are working on the Heart Adventure obstacle course today. Talking a little bit about our heart, understanding some of the anatomy and physiology that goes along with it, and learning about its location, its size, and its job. And the kids are doing that through an interactive obstacle course today, set up to kind of replicate a working model of the heart and the direction that the blood flows. So they are blood cells today, and they're going to be carrying either oxygen with them or carbon dioxide as they go through the heart course. We'll start our tour up here in the lungs with this red and blue bucket, and each of these has some noodle pieces in it, the blue one being carbon dioxide, as you can see, and the red one being oxygen. They'll take the oxygen and start off on the left side of the heart, over here at the left atrium, which is this series of Bosu balls that they will do some dynamic balance as they work their way across those. Nice. And they'll go underneath the archway here. These are all valves or doorways of the heart. This one happens to be the mitral valve. They'll go from the top of the heart to the lower part of the heart, which we call the ventricles. In the left ventricle, they work their way across the beam. They go on the mini trampolines, and then they are heading through another archway, which is another valve, the aortic valve, leaving the heart and taking their oxygen to all the places that need it, our brain, our muscles, our organs. This is the largest artery of the body, the aorta. They'll travel through the tunnels and come out here, where they can choose to go to the right or to go straight. When they exit the tunnels, they'll take it around the body. Good, just like that. So now they're taking their oxygen to all the different places in the body that need it, which is basically a lap around the gym. So you can see they'll be running around the outside of the gym. And when they get back, they've used up all of their oxygen, and they return it here to the center where they got it. No more oxygen. Pick up the waste product, carbon dioxide, and they head into the right side of the heart. Here we've got a rail yard system set up. It's a series of boxes and planks as kids can work their way across, doing a little balance here, changing heights to the higher one, crossing over into the the right ventricle, working on these higher beams, and up to a double box, which they'll jump down onto the mat, and then leave the heart and travel back to the lungs. So here we're in the pulmonary artery. Kids have the mini tramp and some mats here to jump up onto and then jump off of. And then they're back at the lungs where they can get rid of their carbon dioxide and pick up the oxygen again. And the course will start all over. So that's a look at our Heart Adventure obstacle course today with a first grade class.